Tuni pronouns toki sai tom ki kum ni anung ta lo ki long the lo van na tu pi in kan hing le mi te min ta ki jang te pronouns ki chi to le personal pronouns to ki sai tom ki kum ni personal pronouns i chi chang in anung ta mi te min ta ki jang hi masana personal pronouns i chi chan first person, second person, third person chi nam thuma ki khani. The first person is singular plural only, second person is tuabang ma inoma, third person is tuabang ma hi. So the first person singular chi changin I, ya, I chi pen subject hiya, subject chi pen asema bopa, bonu hi. Objects me chi pen object hiya, object chi pen atwak pa twang ni. So the my chi changin possessive adjective ki ne na la na ni te mai chi chan ne van possessive pronoun ki na te myself which is a relative pronoun ni so the first person singular pen I, me, mine, my, myself ya first person plural pen we, us, our, ours, ourselves. The second singular pen you, your, yours, yourself. Second person plural no you, your, yours, yourselves. The third person singular pen he, she, it, ya. So tinga he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself. It's itself. Yeah. Third person plural. They, them, theirs, themselves. Chidanin ki kanila idea Zolai ki ati naman kalkal din takin tayo. Wale upama. First person singular. I is just subject. Like pineapple. I like pineapple. Can learn to eat. He gives me then yeah. Object bang yeah book. He gives me a book. I wash my car. The car is mine. I wash my car by myself. And why are Zolai talking? I can't understand. First person plural. We subject. We buy a new house. As object. They visit us. Our possessive adjective. We show them our new house. The new house is ours. Intact ben goahi. We clean our yard by ourselves. Tumna second person singular. You subject. You come with your friends. They bring you object. I like your shirt. Your possessive adjective. The shirt is yours. Yours possessive pronoun. You fix your car by yourself. Yourself relative pronoun. Lina second person plural. You subject here. You study. The teacher will see you soon. You hitting up object here. Do you like your teacher? You are hitting up possessive adjective here. The teacher's is yours. Yours being the possessive pronoun here. You need to practice by yourself. Yourself being relative pronoun here. Ngana Third person singular. He, she, band, subject here. He, she plays guitar. The teacher gives him or her award. Him or her band hitting an object here. He, she tears his or her book. His or her band hitting a possessive adjective here. The book is his or hers. His or hers is possessive pronoun he lai muna pen. He, she buys the book by himself or herself. Himself or herself and relative pronoun here. Upama taken to anwaya Zolai in kiati here. Gugna third person plural. They then subject here. They are my friends. Them then object here. We need to ask them. Their then possessive adjective. We must win the team. Theirs hitting a possessive pronoun here. The remainings are theirs. They will come and take by themselves. Themselves relative pronoun.